Hey, good morning everyone. This is Source Enterprises Open Source Lab. Sorry it took me so long. Just here to show you real quick what I've been working on. This here is a hydrogen generator. Basically what I'm doing is I'm starting the vehicle up on gasoline. And after the engine starts on gas, we're going to use the excess electricity from the alternator. And we're going to pump that through this generator, which is nothing more than a couple of steel plates very close together. And what I'm doing is I'm using potassium hydroxide. You could also use sodium hydroxide just to help make the water a little more conducive. And the electricity from the alternator going to the battery to this pulse width modulator here where I control the current, to a relay, 70 amp relay, to the fuel pump so it's switch on when the car starts. I have an independent switch going to the dash to turn on. When this electricity goes through this generator, it's going to separate the molecules, the water molecules, from H2O, and it's going to split it to HHO. So we're taking energy in the form of electricity, and then we're going to convert that energy, we're going to use that energy, and we're going to change the form. We're going to make it into a combustible gas form. So with this electrolysis, we're going to take this hydrogen and oxygen that's separated and can go through this dryer straight into the air intake. Alright, what that's going to do, it's going to act as a catalyst. The hydrogen burns faster and hotter than gasoline, and it's basically going to burn up all the gas that you normally waste. So in order to make this efficient, we're going to have to trick the computer. Alright, I have this chip over here with ammeters and switches and everything. Basically, I had to disconnect it, this whole thing. I had it hooked up. This is like the third or fourth time I've hooked this up. Anytime I need a repair, I take it to Chrysler Jeep. They tell me to remove the entire system before they'll touch it. So I had to cut it out, and I'm working on it again. So with this chip, what we're going to do is intercept the signals from all of the O2 sensors, the air intake sensor, the coolant temperature sensor, and the manifold air pressure sensor. And we're going to intercept those signals, and we're going to change the signal before it reaches the computer. Because what the computer wants to do is it senses the excess oxygen from the hydrogen and oxygen, from the HHO, but it doesn't sense the hydrogen. Okay? The O2 sensors will pick up excess oxygen readings, and the computer is going to want to dump more gas into it to balance out the air-fuel ratio. Alright? And what we want to do is make the computer think that it's running rich when it's actually running lean. And it's kind of tricky. We definitely need some expertise dealing with these kind of systems. I'm not an expert. I've been experimenting. But I just wanted to show you what I have so far. If you look at the readings, I mean, you could basically, with 10% by weight potassium hydroxide, like I say, you could also use sodium hydroxide. We're going to get all these readings, and see, we're going to have to change the trim and all this stuff. The computer is, right now, it's not running efficient. With this system, we could probably get bolt-on 30 to 50% fuel efficiency better fuel economy. If we tune it properly, if we can trick the computer, we can get potentially 100% or more efficiency. But like I said, that's going to take a little more work. Right now, I'm broke. I need your guys' help. I think what we need to do is basically get this out there and help move us towards a hydrogen-based economy. It's the most abundant resource on the planet. We can get off oil. You know, this is the next step, and I need your help. So, if you can, reach out to me, post a video, comment. If you do this, you know, be careful. It can be dangerous. I actually picked up this generator from Transitional Technologies. They're based out of California. You can get it at HHO Kits Direct. This is their newest model. I used to build these by hand, but this is a far superior design and with better material. And it's relatively inexpensive. So with this kit, like I said, bolt on 30 to 50% fuel savings, and with potentially 100% or more. This is just, like I said, transitional technology. This isn't exactly what we need, but it's a start. All right, from here, there's a lot more potential. These technologies will change the world, but I need your help. So if you can, please donate, contribute, put out your videos, comment, tell me what you think. My next video, I'm going to show you how to wire up that chip. I have to run all these wires, all of these sensors again. I mean, this car is pretty much shot. I've been working on this thing. I can't even tell you how much time I put into this vehicle. I'm ready for a new one. I want to start it. I want to start over clean. This looks like crap compared to what it was, but it's what I got so far. So I want you all to know that. I'll be working hard to get more of these technologies out there. So please, again, just stay informed and visit my Patreon page and donate if you can. And we're going to help get these technologies into your cars, into your homes, and we'll go from there. So let me know what you think. I love you all. I'll talk to you later.